How 3D printing helps to build better products faster. Hi, I'm Fred and I'm a product designer. Did you know that trends toward affordability and ease of use are bringing professional 3D printing technology in-house for many designers and engineers? The growing expectation that a CAD drawing can become a real three-dimensional object in a matter of hours is altering how companies see the design process, making it faster, more effective, and less costly. As 3D printings help build better products faster, designers and engineers are experiencing a revolution in design. Here are 3 areas in which designers and engineers are expecting to see 3D printing boost expectations. 1. Making it quicker. Time to market considerations are one of the most critical daily issues facing product designers and developers. And with increasing pressure to get products to market quicker, companies are being forced to make quick, accurate decisions during the conceptual stage of design. By establishing material selection, manufacturing techniques, and design longevity, 3D printing can optimize design processes for the greatest potential profit by speeding iterations through product testing. 2. Making it successful. 3D printing can increase the chances of a successful product launch, but successful product design requires review and input from many sources. With in-house 3D printers, though, design teams can review concepts, allowing for fast collaboration with engineering, marketing, and quality assurance teams, empowering designers to adjust throughout the design process and continuously test. 3. Making it cost-effective. 3D printing provides a highly cost-efficient means of producing numerous design iterations and gaining immediate feedback throughout the critical beginning stages of the development process, offering companies a distinct competitive advantage. Lower costs continue to expand the 3D printing market, helping companies reduce their time to market of new products. Making necessary changes as early as possible is essential for companies to save not only time and minimize risk, but save money as well. In-house 3D printers give designers and engineers a thorough understanding of potential products earlier in the design process and minimize the risk of potential product issues. Now that you have a better understanding of how 3D printing is helping designers and engineers create and build better products faster, you're ready to implement 3D printing to your design process to stay ahead of the competition. If you want to learn more about how 3D printing helps build better products faster, click the link below for more information.